Hi, and welcome to the second part of my series on a guide in completing CXC Mathematics SBA. In this particular video, we'll be looking at the purpose. So, why do we need a section called purpose? The purpose tells us why the project is undertaken, or it provides a rationale for why you were interested in solving your stated problem. Your problem should be a real-world problem. This is one of the criteria necessary for marks in this section. Now let us look at the structure of the purpose section. The purpose section has 3 subsections. These are the background, the objective or objectives, and the project description. Let us look at each of these subsections in greater details. The background gives a summary of the problem to be addressed. So you are going to give a history behind the problem you are addressing. Then you will provide the artifacts of the problem. This will be discussed a little later. You will need to also say why you feel the need to address the problem. Finally, you can also give an explanation of the terms that are intended for use in the project. Let's push this aside and discuss the artifacts. Artifacts are the tangible evidence that you are going to produce to justify you undertaking this problem. This means that your artifacts can contain the following statements. Another important subsection in the section called purpose is the objective or objective section. This or these is or are a statement that clearly states the purpose of the project. In other words, it answers the question, what do you expect to achieve when the project is completed? Keep in mind that although more than one objective is accepted, I will advise strongly to keep your objective singular, meaning that you only put one objective. This is because if you were to put more than one objective, then you would have had to produce research data for all 3 objectives and answer questions based on all 3 objectives. This also includes the analysis of all 3 objectives. So my advice to you is to keep your objectives singular. Do one objective. You should also note that your objective must be highlighted by putting it in bold. This shows the examiner that you have satisfied this aspect of the rubric and therefore you deserve your marks. The last of the 3 subsections is the project description. The project description basically gives an overview of the project. Specific details are not necessarily given here, but brief statement consisting of 1 or 2 lines on each section of the report, starting from the method of data collection, should be given. Here's an example. You should briefly state how you collected your data. This pertains to the method of data collection section. You should also state what form of data display you used and why. This accounts for the presentation of data section. And you should also say how was your data analyzed or used to solve your problem. This accounts for the analysis section. You should keep in mind that reports do not have personal pronouns, so you should stay away from using all personal pronouns. You should also note that full marks will not be awarded for this section unless a table of contents is provided together with page numbering. This, however, will be done in a subsequent section because we can insert these automatically. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos where we will be completing this SBA series. See you in the next video where we'll be discussing the method of data collection.